Welcome back, guys. So actually I did a video before of how I traveled from Jinan to Beijing. So right now I'm about to book a ticket. Actually, not only a ticket, because I need to I'll be going to Beijing, and I'm going to book a ticket of a train, and I'm going to book a ticket of a hotel. Right now I actually booked a ticket already of going to Beijing, but I'll book also another one of coming back here in Jinan. That's my city. And so I wanted to say something very small, is that these hotels, really, they're so expensive. Like the one that I'm going to look for it right now, like it's so really expensive. Like they cost even $21. The cheapest ones I will find $17, $5. But trust me, the ones that you will find of very cheap, it's very bad, because like there'll be like a double decker, if you know that, like school life structure. There'll be a double decker school life structure, so you don't want to get that. You want a good decent hotel. So let me do some booking right here, then I'll show you the hotel that I'll get.
5 minutes later.
So actually I got a hotel of almost like $17 US, which is almost equal to 126 RMBs. So I'm gonna stay there for almost 4 days in Beijing. By the way, I'm not sure if what exactly is it gonna be real. Like this person sent me the pictures of the hotel. I'm gonna show you right now. Like he sent me the pictures of the room. I hope when you reach there it's gonna be the same way as I'm showed here, because sometimes you might get something. And I booked this using WeChat because I was not able to pay using a Chinese app. It needed some sorts of registration, Chinese registration, which I couldn't do because I'm not Chinese. So like as you can see, these are the rooms that actually I was sent here, the pictures. I'm gonna show them to you. I hope it's the same way we're gonna find the end. This is the outside place of the room exactly. I hope you guys are going to be together with me when we reach there. So right now I'm in Beijing. So today I'm actually reviewing this room that we actually booked. If you haven't remembered that I did this booking, and so right now this is the exact room that we have been given. I was given yesterday night, but the moment I came here I was really tired, and so I was like, oh my god, I just have to sleep this time. I can do this. And so I slept, and then today morning I'm actually going to talk about this room. But by the way, we just booked it by almost $17 US, which is equal to like 126 RMB. And so this is the exact room. Let's compare the exact things that we get, because the room is actually good. Itself is good. It's like 15 meters square, 8 meters square. Yeah, it was 15 meters square. But the room actually is clean. It's good. I was given it's good and it's clean. And as you can see, I'm gonna show you the bathroom. As you can see here, this is the bathroom. I'm going to show you right now. Like the washroom. This is the washroom. So like I'm gonna show you also in a good way. Like this is the washroom, and it's actually clean. It was actually clean. The only thing I hate about this washroom is that they didn't give me the toothbrush inside it. Like they only gave me that toothpaste, which is actually very minute. I'm gonna show it to you. Like this one right here, this one, if you can get focused, you can see it very well. As you can see, it's very, very small. Like it's really, really small. Like I had to use the one that I carried. It even fell down. So I advise you right now to better work with your stuff, like your own toothbrush, your own toothpaste, because don't expect much. So as I'm gonna tell you right now, I booked this when I was in my school like 2 days ago. So right now I'm here, and actually the room is not that great, this and that, but according to the amount of money, it's kind of like different, though I expected more. So don't expect more when you're actually booking something. So right now I've showed you the washroom, and the washroom is actually clean and it's good, and it has hot water. You can keep it on yourself if you wanna use, and then it has AC, and the cupboard. It has hangers, you can keep your clothes, and it has an extra place here you can sit, though it doesn't have a TV. Nobody uses a TV, by the way, in our restaurant. So few, maybe Chinese, they do that, but we foreigners don't do that. We don't use that because you can't access those foreign stuffs in China. By the way, if you haven't known, I did a video on the VPNs that you should use. Go into the channel, check it out. And actually also I want to say something else, is that the only disappointment you're gonna get is the bed thickness. Like seriously, the bed is big. Yeah, it's big, it's very big. It's like 2 by 1.5 meters, you can say. Yeah, so it's like 2 by 1.5, but the problem is that it is so thick, like it's not thick, so small, like the extent the thickness is so small, like seriously, it's like almost this kind of big, like so small. That's the only disappointment I got about this room, but actually there's no problem. I'm gonna get my stuffs and then we go outside, we check it and we see is it the exact same way as we saw when we were booking it. So without getting wasting of time, let's go outside, guys. So we are back online, guys, and as I've prepared myself, so I even cleaned my room. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a clean, and we'll be going to the outside part and seeing the exact way how it is. So no wasting out of time, guys, and today's biggest place we'll be visiting, make sure you subscribe to this channel because there's another video coming I'm going to record right now, so you subscribe. And by the way, let's check outside first. I gotta be struggling with this day every time. So by the way, right now we are actually outside of my door. This is my room, and I wanna go outside right now. Though it's raining, and it's gonna be very hard for me to shoot outside because it's raining. So I really don't have any idea of what will be coming to me, and I'm really kind of stressed because it's raining and I have to shoot video. We cannot skip a day, and I don't know. But by the way, we know where we're going, right? But this was the ending part of the room video. So see you on the other video whereby I'll be going somewhere else. You don't wanna know the place? I know you do wanna know the place, so make sure to subscribe and watch our coming video. See ya.